Welcome to Vending University, the ultimate guide to becoming a vending operator, your go-to learning hub for mastering every aspect of the vending business. Whether you're just getting started or already operating a vending route, this course will give you the tools, insights, and confidence to provide top-notch customer support for vending machine issues, one of the most critical areas for maintaining satisfaction, reputation, and profit. In today's fast-paced world, vending machines offer convenient access to snacks, drinks, and essential products. But even the most advanced machines can experience problems. When they do, customers expect quick, professional, and effective responses. That's where your role as a vending operator truly shines. This course is designed to help you develop a practical understanding of how to troubleshoot problems, handle customer complaints, manage expectations, and prevent repeat issues, all while staying calm, courteous, and efficient. Throughout this course, you'll explore the most common vending machine complaints, from coin jams and incorrect product dispensers to cashless payment failures and power outages. More importantly, you'll learn how to respond to each scenario using real-world examples, communication templates, and industry best practices. We'll also teach you how to log service issues, track recurring patterns, and maintain a positive rapport with both customers and machine location partners. But this course goes beyond technical skills. You'll also gain a solid understanding of customer psychology and learn how to manage even the most difficult conversations with empathy and professionalism. By the end, you'll be equipped not only to resolve issues swiftly, but also to transform complaints into opportunities for loyalty and trust. So, grab your notepad, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of excellent vending customer support. Your journey to becoming a skilled, dependable vending operator starts here. Module 1. Understanding common vending machine issues from a customer perspective. In this module, we'll take a closer look at vending machine problems through the eyes of the customer. While vending operators are familiar with how machines function internally, most customers only care about one thing: getting what they paid for without hassle. When something goes wrong, whether it's a stuck product, a failed payment, or an unresponsive screen, the customer experience is instantly disrupted. As a result, frustration builds quickly, and your ability to respond becomes a direct reflection of your service quality. Customers may not always describe problems in technical terms. Instead, they'll say, "The machine ate my money," "It didn't give me my drink," or "The card reader isn't working." Your job is to translate these everyday complaints into identifiable machine issues. For example, money eaten could mean a jammed coin mechanism or an unsuccessful bill validator. A missing product may point to a spiral misalignment or a sensor failure. An unresponsive screen could indicate a power issue, frozen system, or touchscreen fault. Understanding these complaints from a user's perspective helps you respond with empathy and precision. It also builds trust, because the quicker and more accurately you interpret the issue, the more professional and helpful you'll appear. Equally important is recognizing the emotional state behind the complaint. Even small issues feel bigger to someone on a short break or tight schedule. A calm, respectful, and reassuring tone makes all the difference in how your support is perceived. By learning to anticipate and recognize common vending frustrations, you'll be prepared to respond not just with solutions, but with a service mindset that turns a poor experience into a positive impression. Mastering this module sets the foundation for delivering consistently excellent support throughout your vending operation. Module 2. Effective communication strategies for handling complaints. In this module, you'll learn how to professionally and calmly handle customer complaints related to vending machines. When something goes wrong, whether it's a jammed product or a failed payment, the customer's frustration often isn't just about the issue itself. It's about feeling ignored, dismissed, or misunderstood. That's why your response must go beyond technical solutions. It must reflect clear, respectful, and empathetic communication. The first step is listening. Whether you're speaking in person, over the phone, or reading a message, always give the customer your full attention. Let them explain the situation without interruption. Once they're done, repeat the main points to confirm your understanding. A simple, "So, the machine took your money and didn't give you the drink, correct?" shows you're attentive and care about solving their issue. Tone matters. Even if the customer is upset, your voice or message should remain calm and courteous. Avoid sounding defensive. Instead of saying, "That's not our fault," say, "I understand how that must be frustrating. Let's fix it." Positive language helps maintain a professional image. Use phrases like, "Let me look into that for you," or "Thanks for your patience." When explaining solutions, be clear and concise. Avoid technical jargon unless you're sure the customer understands it. If there's a delay or refund process involved, give an honest time frame and offer reassurance. For example, "You'll receive your refund within 3 business days. I'll personally follow up to confirm it's processed." Finally, close every interaction by thanking the customer and encouraging them to reach out again if needed. Even after a bad experience, respectful and solution-focused communication can leave them with a positive impression. By applying these communication strategies, you'll not only resolve complaints effectively, you'll also build trust, loyalty, and long-term satisfaction. Module 3. Troubleshooting. On-site, a step-by-step customer support approach. In this module, you'll learn how to effectively troubleshoot vending machine issues while on-site, using a step-by-step approach that keeps the customer informed and reassured throughout the process. Responding in person to a machine problem gives you a valuable opportunity to resolve the issue quickly, minimize downtime, and show your professionalism directly. The first step is observation. Before touching anything, assess the situation visually. Look at the machine's display for error codes, check for flashing lights, stuck products, or payment device issues. Ask the customer to describe what happened and when. Their input can point you toward the right area to check first. Next, follow basic diagnostics based on the complaint. If a product is stuck, inspect the spiral or delivery mechanism. For payment issues, examine the coin and bill acceptors or the card reader for jams or connectivity errors. If the screen is unresponsive, check the power source and system reboot options. Always follow safety protocols. Never open machine doors without locking them properly, and never attempt repairs without proper training or tools. As you work, communicate clearly with the customer. Let them know what you're checking and why. For example, say, "I'm just going to test the payment system to make sure it's reading correctly." If you solve the issue, demonstrate the machine working properly again. If not, explain the next steps and provide a timeline for full repair or technician involvement. Document the problem and your actions clearly. Include date, time, issue, and what was done. This log will help track recurring problems and support any refund or follow-up action needed. Ending your on-site visit with a polite thank you and assurance shows professionalism. "Thanks for your patience. This should be good to go now. If anything else happens, just let us know." By mastering a structured and calm troubleshooting process, you'll gain customer confidence and reduce machine downtime. Module 4. Managing refunds, errors, and product dispensing failures. In this module, we focus on managing one of the most sensitive aspects of vending customer support. When money is lost or a product isn't delivered, refund requests, transactional errors, and failed dispenses can frustrate customers quickly. How you handle these moments can define your company's reputation. A smooth, consistent refund process and clear communication can turn a negative experience into a positive reflection of your service. When a customer reports a product dispensing failure, such as a stuck snack, an empty spiral, or a dropped item that wasn't retrieved, the first step is to verify the issue. Ask for relevant details: machine location, time of incident, product selected, and method of payment. If possible, check the machine log or visit the site to confirm the event. Always keep a professional and polite tone when asking for this information. Once verified, process the refund promptly according to your policy. Whether it's through cash, mobile payment, or voucher, the key is consistency and speed. Let customers know how and when they'll receive their refund. A message like, "Thanks for letting us know. We'll issue a mobile refund within 48 hours," reassures them that they're being heard and helped. Errors during transactions, such as incorrect pricing, duplicate charges, or rejected payments require careful handling. In these cases, clarity is essential. Explain what went wrong without blaming the customer or overloading them with technical jargon. Then provide a solution, whether it's a refund, a replacement product, or a service visit. Always log refund cases, customer details, and machine performance data. These records help identify recurring problems and improve machine reliability. Follow up when necessary to confirm the customer is satisfied with the resolution. By managing errors and refunds with fairness, transparency, and professionalism, you build trust. Each resolved issue becomes a chance to reinforce your reliability as a vending operator. Module 5. Responding to payment issues, coins, bills, and cashless systems. In this module, you'll learn how to address one of the most common and frustrating vending machine problems, payment failures. Whether your customers are using coins, bills, or cashless payment methods like cards and mobile wallets, issues with accepting payment can halt transactions and create dissatisfaction. Understanding the different types of payment issues and how to respond quickly and clearly is essential for excellent customer support. Coin and bill validators are mechanical and electronic devices that can jam, misread, or reject money. Customers often report that their coins or bills disappear without credit, or that the machine won't accept certain denominations. Your role is to identify whether the problem is due to the machine, the currency, or the customer's actions. Ask clarifying questions such as, was the coin a foreign or damaged one? Or, did the bill have any tears or marks? This information helps you diagnose the issue more precisely. For cashless systems, problems might include declined cards, connection errors, or app glitches. When a customer's card is declined, reassure them politely and suggest trying another payment method. If the issue is technical, such as poor network connectivity or a malfunctioning reader, let the customer know you'll notify the technician for a prompt fix. In every case, transparency is key. Explain what steps you're taking, whether it's resetting the machine, inspecting the payment module, or issuing a refund. Clear communication reduces customer frustration and builds trust. Preventive maintenance and regular testing of payment systems can reduce these issues over time. Make sure to keep your machines clean and the software updated, especially for cashless terminals. By effectively handling payment problems and guiding customers through solutions with patience and clarity, you will maintain smooth transactions and customer satisfaction. Module 6. Remote support. Guiding customers through problems over the phone. In this module, you will learn how to provide effective remote support by guiding customers through vending machine problems over the phone or via other communication channels. Unlike on-site troubleshooting, remote support requires clear, patient, and simple instructions because you cannot physically interact with the machine. Your ability to listen carefully, ask the right questions, and communicate solutions step by step will be essential for resolving issues and maintaining customer satisfaction. The first step in remote support is establishing rapport. Greet the customer warmly and express your willingness to help. Let them describe the problem fully without interruptions. Pay attention not only to what they say, but how they say it, as this can reveal their level of frustration or urgency. Next, confirm the basic details: machine location, type, product selected, and payment method used. This information helps you understand the context and narrow down possible causes. Always repeat or paraphrase their problem to show understanding and prevent miscommunication. When providing instructions, use clear, simple language, avoiding technical jargon. Break down each step logically and slowly. For example, instead of saying, reset the coin mechanism, say, please open the coin slot and remove any coins you see, then close it firmly. Ask the customer to confirm each step before moving on, and be patient if they need extra guidance. If the issue requires more complex action or an on-site visit, explain this clearly and set expectations about next steps and timelines. Always end the call by thanking the customer for their patience and assuring them that you are available for further help. Mastering remote support techniques not only solves immediate problems, but also builds customer trust and reduces repeat complaints. Module 7. documenting and tracking customer support cases. In this module, you'll discover the importance of thoroughly documenting and tracking every customer support case related to vending machine issues. Proper record keeping is crucial, not only for resolving individual complaints efficiently, but also for identifying recurring problems, improving machine performance, and maintaining accountability. A well-organized documentation system supports communication within your team and with customers, ensuring no issue is overlooked. Each support case should include key details: customer information, machine location, time and date of the incident, a description of the problem, steps taken to troubleshoot, and the final resolution or next actions. Whenever possible, record how the customer contacted you, phone, email, or in person, and any follow-up commitments made. This information helps create a clear history that can be referenced in the future if the problem recurs or escalates. Using a standardized form or software tool for logging cases ensures consistency. Whether you use spreadsheets, customer relationship management, CRM software, or specialized vending management platforms, the goal is to capture accurate data quickly and access it easily. This organization reduces errors and speeds up response times. Tracking patterns is just as important as individual case documentation. Regularly review your records to identify frequent machine failures, problem hotspots, or payment system glitches. These insights allow you to plan preventive maintenance, negotiate improvements with suppliers, or update training for your team. Finally, good documentation shows customers you take their concerns seriously. When you can refer to a previous interaction or provide evidence of actions taken, it builds trust and professionalism. Proper case management is a foundational skill that enhances your ability to deliver high-quality customer support consistently. Module 8. Handling difficult customers with professionalism and empathy. In this module, you'll learn how to effectively manage difficult customer interactions that arise from vending machine issues. Even when you provide fast, competent support, some customers may still respond with frustration, impatience, or anger. These moments require a calm, professional approach and the ability to show empathy while maintaining control of the situation. The first key to handling difficult customers is emotional self-control. Don't take negative comments personally. Remain calm and focused, regardless of the customer's tone or language. Responding with irritation will only escalate the situation. Instead, take a deep breath and speak in a measured, respectful tone. A simple, "I understand how upsetting that must be," can quickly diffuse tension. Empathy is essential. Let the customer know you hear their concern and are genuinely working to resolve it. Acknowledging their frustration without assigning blame shows you care. Use phrases like, "Thank you for letting us know," or "I can see why that would be frustrating." These statements validate their feelings while keeping the conversation constructive. Listening is just as important. Allow the customer to speak without interruption, then calmly restate what you've understood. This demonstrates attention and prevents misunderstandings. Once the issue is clear, offer a solution or timeline in plain, reassuring language. Avoid technical jargon or overpromising. Be honest about what you can and cannot do. Always maintain your professionalism. Even if the customer becomes rude, stay polite and focused on the issue. If the conversation turns abusive, you have the right to set boundaries. "I want to help, but I need us to keep the conversation respectful." By combining empathy with clear problem-solving and professionalism, you can turn difficult interactions into opportunities for trust and loyalty. Each positive resolution strengthens your brand and reinforces your reputation as a reliable vending operator. Module 9. Coordinating with technicians and location owners for swift resolution. In this module, you'll learn how to effectively collaborate with technicians and location owners to resolve vending machine issues quickly and professionally. Timely coordination is essential not only for fixing technical problems, but also for maintaining strong relationships with the stakeholders involved in your vending operations. When communication is clear and roles are well defined, problems get resolved faster and customers stay satisfied. As a vending operator, you're often the first point of contact for support requests. When an issue requires technical assistance beyond your scope, such as machine malfunctions, hardware replacements, or payment system failures, it's your responsibility to escalate it properly. Provide your technician with a clear, concise description of the problem, including machine ID, location, reported issue, steps already taken, and any error codes or behaviors observed. The more detail you provide, the less time is wasted diagnosing the problem on site. Simultaneously, location owners or site managers should be kept informed. They rely on your machines to operate smoothly and will want updates when issues affect their business. Let them know a technician has been scheduled, give realistic timelines for repairs, and follow up once the machine is fully operational again. This transparency helps build trust and ensures they remain confident in your services. Coordination also includes preparation. Make sure your technicians have access to the machine, necessary parts, and any site-specific protocols they must follow. If the location has limited hours or access restrictions, communicate that in advance. Miscommunication can delay repairs and create friction with both technicians and property partners. A smooth process for coordinating repairs and updates shows everyone involved, technicians, site owners, and customers, that your vending business is organized, responsive, and professional. Efficient collaboration leads to faster problem resolution and long-term operational success. Module 10. Preventive measures and proactive customer engagement. In this final module, you'll learn how to reduce vending machine issues before they happen and build customer trust through proactive engagement. While responsive support is essential, the most effective vending operators go one step further, preventing problems through maintenance and creating a positive experience that keeps customers coming back. Preventive maintenance is the foundation. Regularly scheduled inspections help identify wear, dirt buildup, or parts nearing failure before they cause malfunctions. Clean payment systems, test each selection, and check for expired products or low stock. Updating software and checking connectivity for cashless systems also prevents many common complaints. Keeping a detailed maintenance log allows you to track which machines need more frequent attention and plan ahead. Equally important is listening to customer feedback before it becomes a complaint. Encourage customers to report issues or suggestions by posting clear contact information on your machines. A simple message like, "Notice a problem, text us," makes you more approachable and gives you a chance to act before frustration builds. When customers feel heard, they become more loyal, even when something goes wrong. Another proactive strategy is rotating products based on sales trends and customer preferences. Keeping popular items in stock and adjusting offerings based on feedback shows customers you're paying attention. It also reduces the chances of refund requests due to empty spirals or stuck items. Follow-up is a powerful tool for engagement. If a customer reported an issue, check in afterward to make sure they're satisfied with the resolution. This small gesture can make a big impression and turn a casual buyer into a loyal user. By combining routine maintenance with customer-focused habits, you'll minimize disruptions and foster long-term satisfaction. Proactive operators don't just fix problems, they create reliable, enjoyable experiences that set them apart in a competitive market. Conclusion: congratulations on completing the course. Providing customer support for vending machine issues. You've now developed a comprehensive understanding of how to handle customer concerns with clarity, professionalism, and empathy. From identifying the most common issues to executing on-site troubleshooting, processing refunds, managing payment errors, and engaging customers remotely, you're equipped with both the technical and communication skills needed to deliver high-quality support. Throughout the modules, you've seen how crucial it is to view every vending machine problem from the customer's perspective. By approaching complaints with patience and empathy, you not only resolve issues, but also build trust and loyalty. Your ability to stay calm during difficult conversations, explain solutions clearly, and follow up consistently plays a major role in creating a positive customer experience, even in frustrating situations. You've also learned the value of good documentation, collaboration with technicians and location owners, and the importance of proactive maintenance and customer engagement. These behind-the-scenes practices prevent small issues from turning into big problems and contribute to the long-term success of your vending operation. A clean, well-stocked, and properly functioning machine is only part of the equation. How you respond when things go wrong is what sets your service apart. Support doesn't stop when a refund is issued or a machine is fixed. It's an ongoing process of listening, improving, and building relationships. The operators who stand out are the ones who care about the people using their machines, not just the products inside them. As you move forward, apply these lessons with consistency and integrity. Every customer interaction is a chance to reinforce your reputation and strengthen your business. Keep learning, keep refining your skills, and keep putting your customers first.